Hi boys and girls, today's Handwriting Without Tears lesson is all about the letter Z. But before we learn how to make the letter Z and how to write the letter Z, I'd like to read to you our Alpha Tell story. And the title of today's story is Zack the Lazy Zebra. The letter Z makes the Z sound. Can everybody say that with me? Z for the letter Z. Zack the zebra lives at the zoo. All day long, what does Zack do? Let's see, what does he do? Zzz, zzz, zzz. What's he doing? Looks like he's sleeping. The zookeepers bring a zebra snack, but it doesn't wake up Zack. Zack has no zest. He wants to rest. Zzz, zzz, zzz. And if you don't have zest, that means you don't have any energy to do anything. Try some zucchini. How about some ziti? Ziti is a type of pasta. They zap Zack with a garden hose. They bang a drum, they tickle his nose. Zack's eyes stay closed. He wants to doze. Zzz, zzz, zzz. And to doze just means to take a nap or to go to sleep. They try a zillion zany tricks. They hop around on pogo sticks. Zack thinks their tricks are boring. He goes on snoring. Zzz, zzz, zzz. Look, here comes Zed, a zebra with zing. He zooms and zigzags around everything. Will Zed make Zack wake up and leap? What do you think? Do you think Zed can get Zack to wake up? No! Now two zebras want to sleep. Zzz, zzz, zzz. The zookeepers look worried. At last, the zookeepers give up their schemes. They wish Zack and Zed sweet zebra dreams. Zzz, zzz, zzz. How many things can you find that begin with the letter Z? So I will make copies of these pages for you boys and girls and send them to your parents, and then you can circle the things that begin with the letter Z. Now, on to making our letter Z. So let's see here on our chalkboard. We have some lines. We have straight lines to make the letter Z. Let's count how many. 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 straight lines. Now, do we need big straight lines or little straight lines? Very good. We need 2 little straight lines for the top and the bottom, and a big straight line for the middle of the Z. And that connects the 2 little straight lines. So on our blue mat, we will start with 1 little straight line, and it starts at the smiley face and goes across the top. And then we connect our big straight line to the top little straight line, and it slides down to the bottom corner. And then the last little straight line, the second little straight line, goes across the bottom, and there you have the letter Z. All right, now to write the letter Z, the first thing, I'd like to sing our Where We Start Our Letters song, so let's do that first. Where do you start your letters? At the top. Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start them at the top. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top, top, top? It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? Where do you start your letters at the top? If you want to start a letter, then you better remember to start it at the top. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the bottom. Is this the top, top, top? No, it's the middle. Is this the top, top, top? It's the top, top, top. Where do you start your letters at the top? Okay, now we need 3 things to try writing our letter Z. The first thing we need is a sponge to wet. Then we need a paper towel to dry and a piece of chalk to try. So our very first step is to wet the letter Z. Now, we do not pick up while we're writing the letter Z. It is 1 stroke of our sponge. So we start at the top and we go across the top to the other side. And then once you get to the other side, you're going to slide down to the bottom corner, and we still don't pick up, and then we go across the bottom, and now you can pick up. So there we have wet our letter Z, and now to dry our letter Z. We're going to pick up our paper towel and make it into a ball, and then starting at the top, we go across the top. Do I pick up here, boys and girls? Good job remembering. No, you don't. And then you slide down to the bottom. And once we get to the bottom corner, do I pick up here? No, we don't. Good job. We go across the bottom to the other side. And there you have the letter Z. And now to try writing. Where do I start? Do you remember? Do I start over here on this side? No, I start at the top by the smiley face. And I go across the top. And then do I pick up once I get to this side? Very good remembering. No, you don't. And I'm going to slide down to the opposite corner. And now I have the number 7. I'm not finished. I have to go across the bottom. But do I pick up down here? No, I don't. I go across the bottom and to the other side, and now I can pick up. And there you have the letter Z. All right, boys and girls. Now, in your workbook today, there is 1 page, and there is a zebra on our page that we will color. And zebras are what color? Black and white. But guess what? You can color your zebra any color you like. If you want a rainbow zebra, you can make it a rainbow zebra. But before we color, what do we have to do? We have to trace. So with a crayon or a pencil, no yellow or pink crayons because we cannot see those colors when we trace, you will trace your letter Z's, all 4 of them, and then you will color your zebra. And remember when you're coloring, boys and girls, to stay in those lines the best you can. We color nice and neat. Don't scribble all over the page. All right, good job listening today, and thank you for listening to my lesson on the letter Z, and I will see you next time. Have a good day, boys and girls.